Hi friends, in this video I will show you two best method to increase your Windows 11 performance. So let's start. First, click on the search icon and type View Advanced System Settings. Now click on View Advanced System Settings option. Now select the Advanced tab. In the Performance column, click on Settings. Now select the third option, Adjust for the best performance, and enable these 5 options. Then click on Apply, then click on OK and close the window. Now move on to our second step. Right click on the taskbar, then click on Taskbar Settings. Now on the left side, click on Apps. On the right side, click on Startup. Now disable all the startup apps. Disable all the startup applications. That's it. Now cut this window and restart your system and you will get a very good performance in your Windows 11 now. So this is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.